You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl EISHATAYLORE. I'm gonna be doing a mixture of hard gel and polygel nails. Why I'm doing this, I don't know. But I'm using these long stiletto dramatic high profile arch nails, nail tips specifically, because I'm gonna be doing things the long way and building up the nail. So I'm gonna be using nail tips, which is not my strong point. You see these little things on the edges, the pointy things? I hate those because they never stay on my nail. Like, they never stay flat. You see, they kind of stick out. So I'm going to kind of just cut the pointy part off just a little bit, just so it can lay flat. You see? I'm just gonna cut those off all the nails. I apply my nail tips using base coat gel. In this case, is a base rubber base coat by Lisette Gel Nails. She actually has a YouTube channel here. I have my Kiara Sky lamp. That's what I use to apply my nails. Apply a little bit. You don't have to put much at all. Put your lamp on. I like to put my finger on top of the lamp just so I can see if it's straight. And I'll just do a few seconds. I'm going to do a full cure in the big lamp after. But
done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Gonna be sweet.
So I'm gonna use straight toenail clippers. I used to have the curved ones, but it literally didn't do a good job of what I'm trying to do right here. So I am making my life so much easier with cutting off the excess nail. I really like the ballerina coffin shape, so I'm just bringing it in a little bit more, so when I file, it's not going to take me 50 years.
Telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like con money. When I swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy.
Alright, now that my nails are shaped, blended, and buffed, essentially, I'm going to be using my 2 steps, which is the Kiara Style Prep, which is a dehydrator, and then the primer. So I focus the dehydrator on my bare nail. I don't really focus this on the tip. Get rid of any oils or anything. The primer on.
I can see it in your eyes, I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking.
And taking the rubber base coat, I'm going to apply that. I think I'm going to put it all over the nail. I'm doing polygel and hard gel, and I think having an even surface is always best in my opinion, but you don't have to put it all over the nail if you don't want to, but I just find it to be a better transition for me. I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. For the pointer finger and the ring finger, we're going to be doing this plastic wrap nails design. I have the IBD hard gel that I'm going to be using for those 2 nails. The other 3 nails will be polygel nails. I know that's kind of confusing, but like I mentioned earlier, the Lisette Gel Nails, she dropped her own like product line, so she has gel brushes. Aren't these the cutest freaking things? I'm gonna cut my plastic wrap in half. You don't want it too big because then it'll be super heavy on your nails. And I'm still so new at gel, and gel makes me nervous, so that's why I said this video might be a fail, but I'm having fun, honestly. So all right, so let's just apply this to the nail. Again, I'm not building any structure. I'm just gonna glob this on. And then we're gonna put the plastic wrap on top of the nail. You can also use your cuticle pusher and kind of just add ridges. And then we're gonna cure that for 30 seconds. And take it off. And there should be like little ridges in it. Okay. So yeah, I think definitely more gel, but it kind of did the job, I guess. So I'm just gonna do that to both of the nails. We're gonna put this mermaid iridescent powder along with some rose gold in here. This one is from Amazon, and the rose gold one, ooh, can I open it? The rose gold one is from Kiara Sky.
Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I like it how I rock it from behind. I understand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it.
Okay, so now that that's like that, then I'm going to grab some more gel and kind of just float it over it to encapsulate. And I'm not that good at gel yet, so I'm not gonna tell y'all what to do. Just kind of, I don't know, watch and see if I know what I'm doing.
Oh, and maybe when I take it off, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want you, and it's hard to resist. Cause
CXC, I think is what it's called. Glow in the dark Gemini. I have my alcohol for my sub solution right here. I know I usually say I use base coat, but as of late I've been liking alcohol. I go back and forth, so it's really no complete preference. Still learning polygel as well. Y'all know in my 5 ways to wear polygel video that doing this way is one of my, I hate this way, but I want to practice. So I'm going to put this bead right here in the effort to do this in 2 steps, right? I'm going to tap this into the sidewalls. I really want to keep my shape. When I did the my nails yesterday, yes, I did my nails yesterday and I took them off today. I felt like it was super thick, and so that's the reason why I took them off. So now, oops, too much alcohol. Now I really want to focus on my tapping motions and making it kind of not too thick and shape the nail. And I have to think of it kind of like acrylic, where you're not just sloppily putting it on and hope it comes together when you file. Sure, you could do that, but oftentimes and none, that's not the case. So I want to really make sure that I tap this into place right off the bat, so then when I'm filing, it's not too much. I'm also gonna flip my finger and start tapping it this way. One of my biggest tips that I can give someone is to be comfortable moving your hands in every different directions to kind of see what it looks like from different angles, because I feel like that would really help you in ensuring that it looks good. Since I started moving my hand around and really seeing it from different angles, my nails have looked a lot better. I've had less cleaning up. See, if I didn't flip my hand over, I wouldn't have seen all this right here. Now I'm gonna take another bead and put it right where I need my apex to be, which is in the middle. I'm just gonna put it. So I'm going to take some of that product and kind of bring it towards the cuticle. And then now I'm going to bring the rest of the product down. Kind of see I'm leaving a bit of a hump there. That's where your apex is gonna be, but I'm gonna smooth it out a little bit.
Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show
Alright, y'all. So my nails are buffed, shaped, and everything. I'm gonna put some alcohol on and kind of just get rid of the dust. So I'm still practicing, but this looks far better than yesterday's set. So per usual, I'm using my Makartt Rhinestone Glue. I literally only use this and my nail gems never come off, to the point where it actually is annoying when it's time to take them off. These right here are Swarovskis. I hope I'm saying it right, because and these are also Swarovskis. I just put them in there. I think it's called this Hot Fix. Okay, so like I was saying before my phone wanted to overheat, for the plastic wrap nails, I would do more gel next time. So then when I do the design, it's more interesting. It looks pretty, but I'm just saying, like, I've seen better like designs with that. With that being said, like, this one has a hole in it, if you can see right there. I don't know if you could see. It has a hole in it, so if you ever do like plastic wrap nails, just make sure the gel is in every single crevice to make sure that you don't get any holes or bubbles. This looks so freaking good. My Swarovskis all came in handy. Like, I love the shift of it, and it pulls every single color in here. I think I'm getting better at this polygel life. If I had to choose between hard gel and polygel, I kind of like hard gel, but polygel wasn't bad either. So this design being both wasn't bad at all. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you want to see more hard gel or polygel videos, and I can definitely do so. But yep, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.